Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have an exciting video. I know I say that every time, but you guys, this is exciting. I have something new to show you that you may not even know exists. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig. If you want to know all the details about this wig and why it's different from all the other wigs, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is UNice Hair. I have worked with them a bunch of times on my channel. Too many to count, you guys. I love UNice Hair. Today I have installed a 24-inch body wave reddish brown transparent lace air wig, you guys. What is air wig? Okay, air wig is designed for comfortability and fresh out of the box. You don't have to do anything to this wig. You can just put it on and it'll be secured and it won't be flying off your head. Very breathable.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me.
They weren't kidding when they said glueless. Like it's definitely giving you don't need to secure her, and it is not going anywhere. Like it is on there. It's really interesting technology. The strap back there is definitely feeling secure. All the features that it has, it's making this wig feel like it's glued on my head, but it's not. It's the weirdest thing. I'm gonna go in with some lace tint, kind of tint that lace a little bit. He's looking a little light. It's tight, you guys. I'm trying to get under there, but it's so tight. If they want to like level up this wig, I would suggest making it in like a crystal clear HD lace. That for me would be like heavenly. 100% glueless. This is giving Ariel. This is giving Jessica Rabbit. It's giving a sexy.
Kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow.
I think I will secure her, but you guys can see that you can wear this wig glueless, right? Like, look at it. Look, it's giving glueless. Should I just keep it like that? I don't know.
Yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried.
I'm also finding that it's easier to install this wig because it stays in place. Like wherever you put it, it stays there. So when you're spraying your spray and doing all that, like the wig is not shifting or moving around. So it's so much easier to get like a flawless install.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish curling this side off camera and then I'm gonna come back and close off the video and give my final thoughts.
How much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking.
For this wig in particular, things that I noticed right away was the lace comes pre-cut, so you don't have to cut the lace. I love that because I like to cut the lace before I install. Usually 99% of the time. I did not bleach or pluck the wig. This is how it came. I literally put it on out of the box, you guys, and did this install. Comfortable, you can wear it glueless. As you saw when I was installing it, I really thought about wearing it glueless. It stayed in place. A lot of times when you cut the lace off of your wig and you have normal frontal wigs, it's like really loose here and you have to hold it in place while you're spraying it to dry it. You don't have to do that because once you put it there, it stays. I love the little silicone strap that it has in the back. It also keeps that back portion down, so around your nape it's not going to be popping up. The construction of this wig is to make this wig breathable. You ever notice when you have like an itchy scalp and you can't get to your scalp? This you can, you guys. You can get to the scalp because it's made where you can have access to your scalp. So if your head is itchy, you just go in there and go between those tracks and itch it. It's more breathable. If we do the ball cap and then we put on the wig and then we spray it, there's a lot of products there. So I like that I can get to my scalp. Like I really think that that's a great selling point. At first, I was a bit skeptical because, you know, synthetic wigs usually come like that. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of just like those little tracks, right? So I thought, like, would it give cheap? But it's not, because you can't feel anything. It feels exactly the same as like a normal wig cap, but you can still get access to there. I really like that. I bet you guys more companies are gonna start doing this. So you've seen it here first. This is the Air wig review. I love this wig. I love the color, I love the feel, I love the density, I love how comfortable it is, and I would definitely wear this wig glueless. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys are wondering if I approve this Air wig technology, I definitely do. I'm gonna leave all the information to UNice hair in the description box. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. Ah, I love it. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Anyways guys, that is all. Those are my final thoughts on today's install. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you go. Leave a comment on your thoughts. If you have any questions for me that I maybe forgot to answer, leave that there in the comment section as well. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
So that's impressive.